now along to Guildford University and to the first lift, which is a really nice first generation eco disc. Let's ride it!
Third floor. Fifth floor.
And now go along to the next lift, which is an Otis 2000 hydraulic. So then, let's take a look around this university and along we go to Boiler Room! And we now go along to the next building. These buildings are rather weird because a lot of these buildings don't actually have lifts in them. There's a weird setup where there's not actually that many lifts to see. So then, we now go along to actually find a proper lift for once, and I found this lift, which is a generic lift, but it used to be an old 1960s gauge lift. It's really heavy duty. It's been turned into a generic, which is horrible, but behind the scenes, it's really nice and heavy duty.
Floor 2. Floor 3.
And now, here's one of the walkways leading between the buildings. And there's actually quite a nice high-level walkway. And in the other building, is there another lift? Nope, just more stairs. So then we now go along to find the next lift, which is a really nice second generation eco disc. And now going up the hill and along to the student accommodation. So what lifts do you think there are here? Well, there isn't actually any lifts for the students here, but there is some dumb waiters. Now, I wasn't expecting this. Now just look at these really awesome dumb waiters. This one that's had its buttons replaced, and open it up, and wow, now just look at that. Really nice, and it is a really nice old Keithley dumb waiter. So then, can I get this dumb waiter to move? Nope, I can't. Appears to be switched off. So along we go to another part of the student accommodation where there is another dumb waiter. Now this is just amazing. They've got loads of these dumb waiters all around the student accommodation. I don't know why I didn't put in proper lifts, since it might be a very small lift. You still actually could fit a one-person lift in this space, which would make more sense than dumb waiter. This one here's got older buttons, although I don't think these are the original buttons. And it'd be really nice if one of these worked, but nope, not a single one of these dumb waiters was working. So then, carry on looking around the student accommodation, along we go to this sports hall area, and along we go to the next lifts, which are some first generation eco discs. Let's ride it!
Fourth floor.
And And now let's go look around this university and see if I can find any more lifts. And there isn't actually that many lifts at all here. There's loads of stairs. And I did manage to find this really nice Schindler Design S. I've seen these buns before, but I haven't seen a Schindler that looks quite like this. Let's ride it. Now along I go to the next lift, which is another generic lift, which is actually a really heavy duty goods lift behind the scenes. It used to be a gated lift before it was turned into a stupid generic, and even though it looks really boring inside this lift, it looks really awesome on top of it. So let's open it up. So unauthorised. And now along I go to the tower, and the lifts there have yet again been modernised.
Floor 8. Floor 8.
And now here's another high level walkway between the buildings, and I really like the way this walkway's been lit up. I really like so colourful.
Floor 3. Floor 4.
And that's pretty much all of the lifts in this university. And now along I go to the hospital.